Hey guys, my name is UPTIN and I'm really excited to be hosting the Public Speaking, Storytelling, and Media Training Workshop this October at Dojo, Bali. This 3-day intensive workshop is really good for business executives, entrepreneurs, YouTubers, and also early to mid-level career professionals who are looking to level up in the boardroom, in meeting rooms, to better convey their message, whether that's in meetings or pitching, whatever that might be. We're also gonna fly in my co-facilitator, KATY, who's an improv coach in New York, to help facilitate sessions. And this isn't gonna be one of those workshops where you take a bunch of notes for 3 days and then go off and try and apply it. We're gonna be getting you in front of everyone, inside the room, to help understand what are your strengths and what are your areas for improvement so that you can start to see some results within those 3 days. We're gonna focus on 3 main things. Number 1 is learning how to calm the nerves. Number 2 is building the confidence to convey yourself and convey your message better. And number 3 will be tips and tricks that will help with breathing to help you calm down and really get yourself to that next level. Reach out if you have any questions, and we hope to see you there.